following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Porter, Indiana. What? Blizzard conditions with westerly wind gusts to 50 miles per hour primarily over far northeastern Porter County expected. Wind chill values of 30 below zero expected. Where? Porter County. When? Until 6 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Falling and blowing snow will result in whiteout conditions with zero visibility at times, making travel extremely difficult, if not impossible. Additional details. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 30 degrees below zero can cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for Indiana are available by calling 1-800-261-7623. The following is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Central Cook, DuPage, Lake, Northern Cook and Southern Cook, and Lake, Indiana. What? West winds gusting to 50 miles per hour, blowing and drifting snow, and dangerously cold wind chills expected. Where? Portions of northern and central Illinois and northwest Indiana. When? Until 6 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Blowing snow will result in near whiteout conditions in rural and open areas along north to south oriented roadways. In addition to greatly reduced visibilities, snow will drift over north to south roads, resulting in snow-covered roads and hazardous travel conditions. Additional details. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 30 degrees below zero can cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. In Illinois, the latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. In Indiana, the latest road conditions for Indiana are available by calling 1-800-261-7623. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, KWO 39, serving marine interests on southern Lake Michigan and the Illinois and Indiana shores, 24 hours a day, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. From our transmitter high atop Willis Tower. This station will also broadcast severe weather events for southern Lake Michigan, Lake, Cook and DuPage counties in Illinois, and Lake and Porter counties in Indiana. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Romeoville, Illinois. For the complete Chicago metro area weather broadcast, tune to KZZ 81, Lockport, on frequency 162.425, or KXI 41, Crystal Lake, on frequency 162.500. Visit us on the web at weather.gov/Chicago. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: extreme excessive cold risk, elevated non-thunderstorm wind risk, significant blowing snow risk, limited ice jam flooding risk. Discussion: dangerous travel conditions are expected to continue through tonight due to a combination of falling snow, blowing snow, and bitterly cold temperatures. Near blizzard conditions are possible today and tonight, especially in open areas. Conditions may become life-threatening for anyone who becomes stranded. These cold temperatures may also lead to ice jams on area rivers, which could cause flooding. Very strong winds today may result in some tree damage and power outages. Dangerously low wind chills are expected today. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Saturday, significant excessive cold risk, elevated non-thunderstorm wind risk, significant blowing snow risk, limited ice jam flood risk. Sunday and Monday, elevated excessive cold risk, limited snow risk Sunday night into Monday, limited ice jam flood risk. Tuesday, limited excessive cold risk, limited ice jam flooding risk. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Illinois nearshore waters of Lake Michigan and the Indiana nearshore waters of Lake Michigan. For today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: storm force winds and or very hazardous waves. Significant freezing spray risk. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Saturday, gale force winds and or very hazardous waves are likely. Significant freezing spray risk. Sunday, hazardous conditions for small craft are likely. Wednesday, hazardous conditions for small craft are likely. At 10 a.m. at O'Hare Airport, blowing snow was reported. The temperature was -5 degrees. The dew point was -15. And the relative humidity was 62%. The wind was west at 28 miles an hour, gusting to 43. The wind chill was -32. The pressure was 29.84 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the region. At Benton Harbor, snow was falling with a temperature of 3. Blowing snow was reported with a temperature of -6 at DuPage Airport and -5 at Midway Airport. At Milwaukee Airport, it was partly sunny with a temperature of -5. It was cloudy with a temperature of -5 at Waukegan and -4 at Gary, Indiana. Once again, at O'Hare Airport it was -5 with blowing snow. At the Muskegon entrance, winds were northwest at 33 knots. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 a.m. Saturday for Cook County, DuPage County, Lake County, Illinois, Will